how to create the Salesforce full developer account. So let's get started. So you can see here step by step things. Let me open my pen. Just and you can see step first. How go to this URL and create your full developer Salesforce account. Okay. So let's come to this URL and copy this URL. Go to Google, paste it here, and you can see this URL here, developer.salesforce.com, and here you can see two buttons, login and sign up. So first of all, we need to create a Salesforce full developer account, so we need to click this sign up button. Okay, so let me click this button, sign up button, and you can see here one form is coming to fill this information into the Salesforce hub. So you can see here, this is a Lightning platform, Salesforce Lightning platform and full developer edition. Okay, and free also. So let me complete this form, and you can easily find this form, this website. Okay, so sorry. So first name is Rohit, HATANA. Email ID should be right, not like xyz@gmail.com and any domain, but email ID should be genuine because of it's through an email to verification your account and activation your account also, and change password also. So like Rohit, this is my email ID, and role as a developer, company name as a any name you can see, like TCS India, postal code 503, and username and your email ID should be same or different maybe, but it's contain like this. Check this, Rohit admin just keep this mail ID rohit.net@outlook.com and sign up this. And you can see here you already using this email ID in Salesforce credentials. So we need to change this email ID as protect@yopmail.com. Okay, then sign up. Some process is going on and it's definite. You can see here Salesforce Lightning platform and almost here, and please check your email for confirmation your account. Okay, so let me open my email ID. So just big one, and you can see here verify your account. This is my username. This is my username, you can see here, and this is login URL, and this verification your account. First of all, we need to click this verify your account. So let me click this URL. This takes some time, maybe 15-20 seconds. It depends on your internet connection. So you can see here, change your password. After clicking verify account, we need to change the password. So let me change the password. Okay, now change the password. And you can see here full Salesforce developer account and everything is here. This is the Lightning environment. You can see here, easily find out. This is the Lightning environment. This whole thing comes, wait, close this. This whole things is a Lightning org, Lightning view. We can say Lightning. So this video is enough for creating Salesforce full developer account. So I hope guys you like my video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, and be safe, stay at your home. Thank you, bye bye, take care, stay tuned.